Hello YouTubers, I just want to start off by saying this is a new desktop with a few different programs. LibreCAD Uni PDF, VMware Workstation, Waterfox, which I don't really use as much, in AutoCAD 2007. Today, I just wanted to start with the starting template in AutoCAD 2007. Which you can see here. Okay, and I said maybe later. And there are these cool different Toolpalettes they learned from one of the website tips from a different website. It's got different viewports. There are different things you can do. You can hit viewports max. That's gets the maximum possible viewport. There's also a way to freeze viewports. And if you freeze viewports, you can't change it. So you want to use thaw viewports. You go down here, they're on the viewports layer. You hit that. And then you can click outside and delete the max viewport that we've got from here. And each viewport has a certain amount of code to it too, which you can find on their website. You can also draw a viewport that's a circle. And that can adjust the view here, so you can actually have two viewports at the same time. But you also want to there's also an ability to unlock viewports. So now you can unlock this one just the same way as this one was unlocked. And then there's another way to do viewports, to turn viewports off and viewports on.